Hi everyone, it's T-Tech. Are you searching a video? How can you remove watermarks from your image or photo? You can see here in this image have too many watermarks and writing word. So if you want to remove the watermark from the image, what you have to do? So in this video I am going to show you how can you remove watermark from the picture. So for doing that you have to open any of your browser. You can see here I am simply opening my Google, and from Google you have to search here online and online watermark remover. You can see here online watermark remover. Here you can see here first link, but in first link have a problem, so I showing you the problem. So if you click here, then you can see here online watermark remove for free. If you upload an image, then the watermark will be removed easily. But you can see here, if you click here upload image, then you can see here your limited is renew in 23 hours. Means its daily upload limited is one image. You can see from only one image you can remove watermark. So this is the problem of this website. For this reason you have to go back from here and you have to clear, and you have to go again Google, and you have to search here watermark remover. You can see here watermark remover. You have to search on it, and then you can see here second option watermark remover PC with. You have to click here second website, and after clicking second website you have to click here remove watermark from image. You can see here option image. You have to click on it, and then you have to click here upload image, and then you have to upload from which image you want to remove your watermark. Simply uploading the image, and then after uploading you can see here this kind of option. You have to select the watermark. You can see here I am selecting. You have to select the watermark right way how I am selecting, and then you have to click here erase. You can see here erase. You have to click here erase. After that you can see here the watermark is vanished. You have to again erase which have already in image. Then you have to click here again erase. Then you can see here all the things have been erased from your picture and watermark have been removed. So that's how you can remove any watermark from your photo. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.